Hello children, now we are going to start book exercise from page number 6. Before doing this book exercise, we have to understand something. Children, do you know there are some words in English which always take place together? That means ऐसे कुछ English words है जो हमेशा एक साथ ही पाए जाते हैं. For example, number 1, take a break or have a break. So, we will not say have a break. We will always say take a break. Okay? Then number 2, do a sip or take a sip. Here also, we will not say take a sip. We will always say do a sip. Clear children? Now let's do the book exercise. Question number C. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Have lunch or do lunch. So here the correct option will be have lunch. So put a tick mark on have. Then number 2. Take a break or do a break. Here the correct option will be take a break. So put a tick mark on take. Number 3. Make a promise or have a promise. Here the correct option will be make a promise. So put a tick mark on make. Number 4. Do good or have good. Here the correct option will be do good. So put a tick mark on do. Number 5. Watch your step or see your step. Here the correct option will be watch your step. So put a tick mark on watch. And the last one is make a mistake or do a mistake. Here the correct option will be make a mistake. So put a tick mark on make. Now come to the next page, page number 7. Children, before doing this book exercise, we have to understand that a sentence should always begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. For example, number 1, I am a girl. Here, you can see that the first letter of this sentence is I. So, it will be a capital letter. And here, after girl, we have to give a full stop. Okay? Now, let's come to the second example. My sister is very naughty. So, which is the first letter here? M. So, we have to start this sentence with capital letter M. And at the end of this sentence, we have to give a full stop. Clear children? Now, let's do this book exercise. Question number D. Mark the correct sentences with a tick and the wrong ones with a cross. The first question is, Winnie likes ice cream. So children, the first letter of this sentence is V, which is given in capital letter. And this sentence ends with a full stop. So children, this is a correct sentence. So put a tick mark in this box. Now come to the next one. Children should eat fruits. The first letter of this sentence is C, which is not given in capital letter. And full stop is also not there at the end of this sentence. So, this is a wrong sentence. So, put a cross mark in this box. Now children, let's see Sentence number 3. I enjoy playing outdoor games. So this sentence is starting with a capital letter, that is I. But is there a full stop at the end? No. So this is a wrong sentence. So put a cross mark in this box. Now come to the next sentence. My sister is very naughty. Here the first letter M is in capital and this sentence ends with a full stop. That means this is a correct sentence. So put a tick mark in this box. Now the last sentence is the teacher gave us a dictation. Children, you can see that this sentence is not starting with a capital letter. That is, small letter T is given here. But this sentence is ending with a full stop. So, this is a wrong sentence. So, children, put a cross mark in this box. Now come to the next question. Question number A. Match the columns to make meaningful sentences. Here, the first half of some sentences is given in column A and the other half of these sentences is given in column B. You have to match them to make meaningful sentences. So, look at the column A, number 1, the roads. It will match with number C from column B, that is are dirty. That means the roads are dirty. This is a meaningful sentence. Now come to the second one, mangoes and grapes. See with which it is matching? It is matching with number A from column B. That is are my favorite fruits. That means mangoes and grapes are my favorite fruits. So this is also a meaningful sentence. Now let's come to the third one. Once there was. See, this one is matching with number E from column B. That is a brave king. That means once there was a brave king. Children, this is a meaningful sentence. Then match from number 4, the butterfly, to number B. Looks colorful. That means the butterfly looks colorful. This is a meaningful sentence. Then match from number 5, that is Tina, to number D. Is a smart girl. That means Tina is a smart girl. Children, this is also a meaningful sentence. So this much for today. Thank you.